Alright, so this is going to be a quick update on my K-Swapped Subaru Impreza. So it's been a while since I've done an update. I have a bunch of videos of progress up to this point, but we're going to skip all that and I'll just show you guys what I have done. I think on the last update I was still finishing up the subframes, kind of finishing welding them and building everything. So that's all done. Subframes are fully welded. I got the front subframe, the motor mounts, transmission mount, and this front motor mount that I made. That's all fully welded and painted, as you can see. And you know, no engine cards holding everything. It's all fully mounted and supported. The car is a roller again. You can push it back and forth and move it around. So that was a huge step, getting everything fully mounted and painted. I kind of debated for a while what to do next after getting everything mounted, and I kind of just hopped right into the roll cage because I want to get everything with the chassis done before I do any wiring or plumbing. So I got my DOM. Some of it's there, some of it's in the car because I've already started the cage, and that's kind of where we're at right now. I've been playing the cage for a while. It's been a lot of work, but it's been a fun process. I converted my tubing bender to hydraulic with this hydraulic ram. So right when I was starting the cage, I realized it was easier to get the glass out early, so I took windshield out and the rear glass out, and I managed to get them out without breaking them. They're up there, as you can see, stored for now. Step in here and you can see I got my main hoop done and nice and tight to the roof line. Lateral bars are nice and tight to the sides. Windshield bar pretty tight to the roof line as well, and same with the roof bars. I have my rear floor plates all done, pretty much ready to weld in once the cage is welded together. My front upper plates are kind of done as well, but we still have to do the lower plates and then box all that in. And then I still have to break it all back apart, you know, prep it for full welding and put it back together. But it's all just mocked up as I fit in the rest of my gussets like this and the front. But the next thing is removing the roof, because the way I made the cage, there's really just no other way for me to get good access besides removing the roof. So I'm going to show more of that on the next video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll have another update soon.